Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to replace music in a YouTube video using the built-in video editor in YouTube Studio. So I'm logged into my YouTube Studio account. I'm using the web version of YouTube Studio. I'm in the dashboard area. Now, to use a built-in YouTube video editor, you have to go into edit mode for the specific video. So go to the content section where it'll display all your videos. I'll use this filter section to search for specific videos. I'll hover my mouse over this video. It's an old video, so I'm just using this video as an example. Click on this pencil icon to go into edit mode, and it'll bring you to the video details page. Go to the editor section in the left side panel, and here we are in the YouTube video editor. Down below is a timeline which currently has two tracks. This is the video track, and this is the audio track. This particular video only has a voiceover audio track. This is the preview section where you can play the video. And in this left side panel, you have a few video editing tools. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm only going to show the audio tool. So you can click on this audio section to add a new audio. This will open the YouTube audio library. Now, unfortunately, at this time, you cannot add audio from your local drive or your computer. We are currently in the free music tab, and you can see several music tracks displayed here. You can use this search box to search for specific tracks. In this chart tab, it will display any music that you have marked as favorite. You can hover your mouse over a specific track. You can use this play button to preview the audio. You can click this button to check the license of the audio. And finally, you can click this add button, which will add the chosen audio track to your video in the timeline below, as you can see here. You can use the edges of the audio track to adjust them like so. You can also move the track like so along the timeline to adjust it further if you need to. On the audio track, you'll notice this icon, and if you click on it, you'll see this slider, which allows you to adjust the mic level like so. On the audio track, you'll also notice this three vertical dots icon, which gives you a couple of options to remove the audio track and to check the license info for that specific track. In the top right corner, you can discard all the changes, and this icon allows you to revert to the original video. And finally, you can save the changes once you're done. Obviously, you can preview the video before saving it. So once you click the save button, you'll see this message indicating that this process could take a while. And finally, click the save button. But that's pretty much it. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.